Setting Google Scholar Alerts. Hello everyone, and welcome back to your channel Intudo4U, and Intudo4U, your gateway to top-notch experts in writing, tutoring, and data analysis. We connect you with top professionals who deliver creative content, clear tutoring, and smart data insights. Need compelling articles or insightful reports? We've got you covered. Subscribe now and unlock your potential where expertise meets opportunity. Today I'm going to show you an awesome trick to stay updated with the latest research without having to constantly search for it. If you're like me, keeping up with new studies and articles is a real challenge, especially in fast-moving fields. So, let's dive into setting up Google Scholar Alerts. Google Scholar Alerts are a fantastic way to have the most recent research delivered straight to your inbox. Instead of manually searching for new articles, Google Scholar will automatically email you updates based on your chosen keywords. Whether it's flipped learning, active learning, or flipped classroom, you can tailor alerts to match your interests. Before we set up any alerts, you need to be logged into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, head over to Google Scholar and log in using your Gmail or Google account. This step is crucial because your alerts will be linked to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Alerts option. Depending on your browser, the layout might vary slightly. I'm showing you how it appears on Internet Explorer, but the process is very similar in Chrome or any other browser. On-screen instruction. Open your browser. Navigate to Google Scholar, click on the Alerts link. Now comes the exciting part, creating your alert. Click on the Create Alert button. A new window will pop up where you can type in your search term. For example, let's enter flipped learning. This tells Google Scholar to monitor all new research related to that topic. On-screen demonstration. Type flipped learning into the search box. Show options for selecting the number of results, 10 or 20. You also have the option to choose how many results you want to receive in each alert, so pick either 10 or 20 based on your preference. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Create Alert. One of the best features of Google Scholar Alerts is that you can create multiple alerts. For instance, I've set up alerts for flipped learning, active learning, and flipped classroom. This way, I never miss any important research updates across all my interests. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can have the latest research delivered straight to your inbox every couple of days. This is an incredibly useful tool for staying current without spending hours searching manually. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your research productivity. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.